Hello, I would like to tell you about my new tutorial that I have written for the Edexcel Component 1 recording task, which is to mix and produce a version of the song Time Is Running Out by Muse. This is useful for the Music Technology A-Level coursework 2020. The tutorial package consists of an exemplar mix of the track done in Logic 10.5. I must stress that the audio needed is not supplied by myself but can be downloaded from the Edexcel website. The arrangement shows the use of mixing and production techniques and is an excellent support to the comprehensive written guide. The written guide covers every aspect of the mix process, including techniques such as parallel bus compression, the application of amp simulators and pedalboard effects, the use of automation, and much more. The guide is 38 pages long and will help the student to explore the different techniques and effects that are available to you with Logic Pro X 10.5. There are also several videos to help the students that cover different processes and techniques that will be useful in creating a good mix of Time Is Running Out. So as well as this, I've included in the tutorial pack my guide to mixing rock, which I would recommend should be tackled by the students as preparation for mixing Time Is Running Out. The guide to mixing rock covers basic techniques that you would use when mixing a traditional rock song. It is also full of information regarding compression, noise gates, EQ, and much more besides. In addition to these two practical tutorials, I've also included my guidance video for the Unit 4 production exam, which the students will have to take hopefully in 2021. All in all, it is an excellent package that will help your students achieve their potential with regard to mixing and production. There are more details on my website at www.musictechguru.com.